Imagine a power source so potent that it could fuel the entire planet for millions of years. This isn't science fiction, this is fusion energy. Fusion energy, ladies and gentlemen, is not a concept of tomorrow, but a promise of today. It's the process that powers the sun and the stars, where atomic nuclei combine to form a heavier nucleus, releasing energy in the process. It's the same process that we're striving to replicate here on Earth, under controlled conditions. The potential of fusion energy is staggering. Picture this. 1 kilogram of fusion fuel could produce the same amount of energy as 10 million kilograms of fossil fuel. Yes, you heard that right. The energy produced by fusion is 4 million times greater than that of coal. Fusion energy is the holy grail of power generation. It's clean, it's safe, and it has the potential to provide us with an almost inexhaustible source of power. No greenhouse gases, no nuclear waste, just vast amounts of energy. But there's a catch. Achieving fusion is no easy feat. It requires temperatures of over 100 million degrees, which is hotter than the core of the sun. This is where science and engineering come together to create something truly extraordinary. Now you must be thinking, can we pull this off? Can we harness the power of the stars? Well, the answer is a resounding yes. We are on the brink of a new era, an era where fusion energy is not just a possibility, but a reality. Fusion energy isn't just a dream, it's race, and multiple companies are leading the pack. Helion, Cymer, TAE, Zap Energy, and Commonwealth Fusion Systems. Helion Energy, a frontrunner in this race currently building Polaris, is harnessing the power of the sun in their fusion reactors. This Washington-based company is making strides in the fusion energy sector with a unique methodology that sets them apart from the rest. Helion's approach relies heavily on the use of magnetic fields, electric recapture, and pulsed power systems. To put it simply, they are creating miniature stars on Earth and harnessing the energy produced by these stars to generate electricity. The magnetic fields are crucial in this process as they contain and control the hot plasma, while the pulsed power systems provide the intense heat and pressure required for fusion to occur. But what makes Helion's approach truly unique is their aim to create a fusion solution with electric recapture that is not only effective but also compact, scalable, and cost-effective. The goal is to design a fusion reactor that can be easily scaled up for mass production, making fusion energy more accessible and affordable for all. In a world where the demand for energy is constantly growing and the need for clean energy sources is more pressing than ever, Helion's innovative approach could be a game changer. Their fusion reactors have the potential to provide a virtually limitless source of clean energy without the environmental drawbacks associated with traditional energy sources. Yet despite their promising approach and significant progress, Helion is not without competition. Several other companies are also working tirelessly to make fusion energy a reality, each with their own unique strategies and technologies. The race is on and the stakes are high. The future of energy could be shaped by the outcome of this exciting competition. Cymer, another competitor, is taking a different route to the same destination. Unlike traditional methods, Cymer is harnessing the power of high-intensity lasers to heat and compress fuel pellets, initiating a fusion reaction. This innovative approach is a testament to the ingenuity and resourcefulness of the human spirit when faced with the complex challenge of sustainable energy production. In the realm of fusion energy, sustaining high temperatures and pressures is a daunting task. However, Cymer's laser-based method is designed to overcome these hurdles. By using lasers, Cymer is able to concentrate immense amounts of heat onto a small area, creating conditions ripe for fusion. This method of heating and compressing the fuel allows for a more controlled and efficient fusion reaction. The fusion reaction itself is a marvel of physics. When the fuel pellets are heated and compressed, the atoms within them begin to collide and fuse together, releasing an incredible amount of energy. The energy produced in this process is clean and renewable, marking a significant stride towards a sustainable future. What sets Cymer apart is not just their innovative approach, but their unwavering commitment to progress. In a world where the need for clean energy is more pressing than ever, Cymer is stepping up to the plate, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in fusion energy development. But the journey is not without its challenges. The process of heating and compressing fuel pellets requires precision and control, and maintaining the high temperatures and pressures necessary for fusion is no easy feat. Despite these obstacles, Cymer remains undeterred, continually refining their techniques in pursuit of a viable fusion energy solution.
Ximer's laser-based method presents a fascinating alternative. Yet another player, TAE, is also making waves in this race. As the search for a sustainable, clean energy source continues, the competition only fuels the fire of innovation, pushing each competitor to think outside the box and strive for the extraordinary.
TAE Technologies is turning heads with their unique approach to fusion energy. TAE, formerly Tri-Alpha Energy, is devising a strategy that truly sets them apart. Their innovative idea, they're focusing on field-reversed configurations and proton-boron fusion, a technique that's as fascinating as it sounds. So what exactly is a field-reversed configuration? It's a type of plasma confinement in which the magnetic field lines are wrapped around a core of plasma, essentially creating a self-contained magnetic bubble. This bubble, or plasmoid, is then heated and compressed, leading to fusion reactions. Now let's talk about proton-boron fusion. This method is a type of aneutronic fusion, which means it produces energy without the emission of high-energy neutrons. The result? A safer and cleaner energy source. Imagine a world where we can power our homes, offices, and vehicles with fusion energy that doesn't contribute to radiation pollution. That's the world TAE is striving to create. But TAE's ambitions don't stop there. They're not just looking to develop a safe, clean, and limitless energy source. They're aiming to make this energy accessible and affordable too. Their goal is to create a fusion power plant that's not only environmentally friendly, but also economically viable. Think about it. A source of energy that's both good for the planet and your wallet. Now that's a win-win. They understand the importance of their role in shaping the future of energy, and they're not taking it lightly. TAE's bold vision could be a game changer, marking a new chapter in fusion energy development. With their unique approach and ambitious goals, TAE Technologies is certainly a company to keep an eye on. They're not just dreaming of a cleaner, safer energy future, they're actively working to make it a reality. The race to develop functional, efficient fusion energy is more than just a competition between companies. It's a global quest, a pursuit of a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable future. It's a race towards a world where limitless power doesn't come with a cost to our planet. In this power play, key players have emerged, such as Helion, Ximer, and TAE, among many others. Each with their unique approach, they're pushing the boundaries of science and technology, daring to dream of an energy revolution. Helion, with its focus on direct fusion, seeks to harness the raw power of the sun right here on Earth. Their innovative technology holds promise, and their relentless determination echoes the spirit of this race. Ximer's fusion development, on the other hand, is a testament to the power of collaboration. By pooling together resources and expertise, they're hoping to tap into the potential of fusion energy, promising a future that's not just sustainable but also equitable. And then there's TAE. With their ambitious fusion project, they're not just aiming to win the race, but also to redefine it. Their focus on aneutronic fusion doesn't just promise clean energy, but energy that's safer and more efficient. Yet these are just a few of the trailblazers among the numerous companies striving for fusion energy breakthroughs. This race isn't about who crosses the finish line first. It's about how every stride, every leap forward brings us closer to a world where energy is no longer a finite resource, but a limitless gift from nature. It's about the potential of fusion energy to light up homes, power industries, and spark a global revolution. As we've seen, fusion energy isn't just a dream. It's a reality that's taking shape, one experiment at a time. And as these companies, all 40 of them, continue to innovate and test the limits, we can only expect this reality to grow brighter. As the fusion energy race heats up, the ultimate winner will be the world, as we edge closer to a future powered by clean, infinite energy. Yet, the fusion energy race is far from a three-horse competition. Enter Zap Energy with funding from Chevron and Shell, another contender making significant strides with their unique approach. Zap Energy is harnessing the power of sheared flow stabilized Z-pinch, a method that uses intense electric fields to compress plasma to fusion conditions. It's an innovative approach with no magnets or lasers that could redefine the fusion energy landscape. Z-pinch has immense potential in the world of fusion energy. It's a method that's been explored for years, but Zap Energy's unique technique leverages it in a new and exciting way. By using sheared flow stabilization, they've managed to overcome the inherent instability of Z-pinch plasmas, ushering in a new era of possibilities in the fusion energy race by capturing the heat in liquid metal. But it's not just about the technology. Zap Energy's commitment to progress, their unwavering dedication to the pursuit of sustainable energy, adds a new dimension to this race. They're not just trying to win, they're trying to change the game, to push boundaries and redefine what's possible. With their unique approach, Zap Energy is not just a participant in the fusion energy race, they're a beacon of innovation, a testament to the power of thinking outside the box. As the fusion energy race heats up, Zap Energy's contributions promise to add a new layer of intrigue and potential to this global pursuit of a sustainable future. As we delve further into the fusion energy race, we cannot overlook the promising Commonwealth Fusion Systems. This ambitious company is turning heads with their revolutionary approach to fusion energy. They're not just stepping into the race, they're sprinting full speed ahead with a clear vision and a promising strategy. Instead of following others, Commonwealth Fusion Systems is charting their own course with a smaller tokamak. They're focusing on utilizing high-temperature superconductors to create ultra-powerful magnets, specifically for fusion reactors. This innovative approach could potentially overcome some of the biggest challenges in achieving fusion energy. By using these high-temperature superconductors, they're hoping to generate a magnetic field that's strong enough to contain the superheated plasma necessary for fusion. But it's not just about the technology for Commonwealth Fusion Systems. They're driven by a mission to make fusion energy a reality in the near future. Their goal is not just to compete, but to catalyze a paradigm shift in the energy sector. They're not just looking to win the race, but to redefine it. With their ambitious plans and innovative approach, Commonwealth Fusion Systems is a company to keep a close eye on in the fusion energy race. They're not just a new entrant, they're a potential game changer. Their determination to turn the dream of fusion energy into a reality could potentially alter the course of this global pursuit of a sustainable future. As we watch the fusion energy race unfold, the contributions of Commonwealth Fusion Systems are bound to add a new layer of intrigue and potential to this exciting competition.